Happy International Chef's Day to every warrior in the world. Today, we celebrate not just the food we create, but the fire that lives inside us. We celebrate the burns, the long hours, the pressure, the sleepless nights, and still, the smile we carry when we send out that perfect plate. Because being a chef is not just a job, it's a calling. We are artists, engineers, leaders, and dreamers. We build flavors from nothing, we turn chaos into harmony, and we feed not just stomachs, but souls. Every dish we make carries a story, a piece of our heart, a reflection of who we are. To every chef out there, from the humble kitchen helper to the executive chef, thank you. You are the backbone of hospitality, the heartbeat of the kitchen, the reason why food connects the world. Today, stand tall, be proud of your craft. Remember why you started. That fire, that hunger, that dream. Keep pushing, keep creating, keep inspiring. Because we don't just cook, we create magic. We inspire emotions. We change lives, one plate at a time. Happy International Chef's Day to all the culinary warriors out there.